Vicky, it's me! It's me! It's me! It's me! I could lift you up. I could show you what you want to see and take you where you want to be. You could be my love. Be my love. I know that we'll be safe and sound. Well, let's sing to the century. We'll sing. We're at the gate, and we're gonna sing. It's me, it's me, it's me. Let me in, let me in. It's me, let me in, it's me. Oh, he does not look happy. Let's sing. Okay. Oh, he is happy. He didn't look happy when he drove up. Have a good evening. Oh, Joel! You're the smile power girl! I could show you love in a tidal wave of mystery. You'll still be standing next to me. You could be my love. Even if we're 6 feet underground, I know that we'll be safe and sound. Brian, dance! 25, I'm speeding! Brian, dance! Okay, there's no empties. I was going 12 over! And I got a ticket here before! I don't know, he gave me a warning. You didn't hear that, babe. Oh, but you already knew because he contacted you. Because he knew you and told you. Oh, we're safe and sound. Going 25. Oh, I dropped down to 23. You up. I can show you what you want to see and take you where you want to be. You could be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound. I hate going this slow. 25 is killing me. Take you where you want to be. You could be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound. Oh, I'm gonna drive like Pet Detective. Hello, everybody! Safe and sound. No one's safe when mom's driving.